Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those stubborn dark spots that seem to appear overnight on your hands, face, or chest? If you're over 50, chances are you know exactly what I'm talking about. Those age spots that make you feel like time is catching up faster than you'd like. You're not alone in this struggle. Millions of people wake up every day, look in the mirror, and feel frustrated by these unwelcome visitors on their skin. You might find yourself reaching for expensive creams, booking costly dermatology appointments, or even avoiding mirrors altogether. But what if I told you that the solution to visibly reducing these age spots in just 20 minutes might already be sitting in your kitchen right now? What if two simple, natural ingredients could change the way you feel about your reflection?
Real quick, if you're over 45 and your body feels off, whether it's pain, fatigue, stubborn weight, or just not feeling like yourself, stop guessing right now. We've created a quick 60-second quiz that gives you a personalized natural health report based on what your body needs most right now. It's completely free. Click the link in the description to fill out the short quiz and get your custom health report. You might be just one answer away from finally feeling better.
Before we dive into this incredible discovery, I want you to do me a small favor. If this video helps you today, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more natural health solutions like this one. Now, let's talk about what's really happening to your skin, and more importantly, what you can do about it starting today. Those dark patches you're seeing aren't just cosmetic concerns. They're actually your skin's way of telling you a story about years of sun exposure, hormonal changes, and the natural aging process. Each spot represents countless hours your skin worked overtime to protect you from UV damage. But here's what most people don't realize. These age spots don't just affect how you look. They affect how you feel about yourself. Maybe you've started wearing long sleeves even on warm days. Perhaps you've noticed yourself avoiding photos or social gatherings. You might catch yourself staring at other people's smooth, even-toned skin and wondering when yours changed so dramatically. And the worst part? Most conventional treatments either take months to show results or come with harsh side effects that can actually damage your skin further. Chemical peels burn. Laser treatments cost thousands. Prescription creams can cause irritation and sensitivity that leaves your skin worse than when you started. You've probably tried countless over-the-counter products, spending hundreds of dollars on promises that never delivered. Each failure chips away at your confidence a little more. You start to believe that clear, even-toned skin is something that only exists in your past, or in expensive treatments you can't afford. The beauty industry wants you to believe that fighting age spots requires complex procedures and chemical-laden products. They profit from your insecurity and your willingness to try anything that promises hope. But what they don't want you to know is that nature has already provided everything you need. This isn't about accepting defeat or resigning yourself to living with spots you hate seeing every day. This is about reclaiming your confidence with ingredients that have been trusted for generations. Let me share something that might surprise you. The answer isn't hiding in expensive laboratories or exclusive spas. It's hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen. Two humble ingredients that most people walk past every day at the grocery store, never knowing their incredible potential for skin transformation. I'm talking about potatoes and ginger. Yes, the same potato you might have had for dinner last night, and the same ginger you use in your tea. These aren't exotic ingredients. They're not expensive superfoods. They're simple, accessible, and incredibly powerful when combined correctly. Here's what makes this combination so extraordinary, and why it works when expensive creams have failed you. Potatoes contain an enzyme called carotenase. This naturally occurring compound has the remarkable ability to regulate melanin production in your skin. Melanin is what gives those age spots their dark color. By gently regulating this process, potatoes help naturally lighten those stubborn dark areas. But that's not all. Potatoes are also rich in vitamin C, a powerhouse nutrient that promotes even skin tone and supports your skin's natural healing process. Unlike harsh chemical exfoliants that strip and damage your skin, potatoes work as a gentle, natural exfoliant that soothes rather than irritates. Now, let's talk about ginger, the second star of our natural remedy. Ginger contains potent antioxidant compounds that do something remarkable for your skin. They stimulate blood circulation right where you need it most. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to your skin cells, which accelerates the natural regeneration process. Ginger also brings powerful anti-inflammatory properties to the table. Inflammation is often what makes age spots more pronounced and harder to fade. By reducing inflammation naturally, ginger helps your skin heal faster and more effectively. When you combine these two ingredients, something magical happens. The potato works on the surface level, gently exfoliating and regulating pigmentation, while the ginger works deeper, improving circulation and fighting inflammation. Together, they create a synergistic effect that targets age spots from multiple angles simultaneously. This isn't just folk wisdom. This is nature's chemistry working in perfect harmony with your skin's natural processes. No harsh chemicals, no burning sensations, no expensive procedures. Just pure, gentle effectiveness that respects your skin while delivering real results. Are you ready to try this for yourself? The preparation is so simple that you'll wonder why you waited so long to discover this natural solution. And the best part is, you probably already have everything you need at home right now. Here's exactly how to prepare and use this powerful natural treatment. First, take one fresh, raw potato. Make sure it's clean and free from any dark spots or blemishes. Using a fine grater, grate the entire potato. You'll immediately notice that juice begins to flow from the grated potato. That juice is liquid gold for your skin, packed with those melanin-regulating enzymes I mentioned. Next, take a piece of fresh ginger about the size of your thumb. Peel it carefully to remove the outer skin. Then grate it finely using the same grater. You'll notice the distinctive spicy aroma immediately. That's the scent of those powerful antioxidant compounds getting ready to work their magic on your skin. Now comes the crucial step. Mix these two ingredients together until they form a smooth, moist paste. The texture should be easy to spread, but not too watery. If it seems too dry, you can add a tiny bit of the potato juice you collected. If it's too wet, add a bit more grated potato. The mixture will have a distinctive smell that's both earthy from the potato and spicy from the ginger. This is completely normal and actually indicates that the active compounds are present and ready to work. Before applying, make sure your skin is clean and dry. You can use this treatment on your hands, face, chest, or any other area where you have age spots. Apply the paste generously to the affected areas. Don't be shy about coverage. The more contact between the mixture and your skin, the better the results. Here's where the real magic begins. Using gentle, circular motions, massage the mixture into your skin. This isn't just about application. The massage action stimulates blood flow, helping the active ingredients penetrate deeper and work more effectively. Think of it as giving your skin a gentle energy boost, waking up the natural healing processes that may have become sluggish over time. The massage should feel pleasant and soothing, not rough or irritating. Let your fingers do the work, applying just enough pressure to create movement without causing discomfort. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is completely normal and indicates that the ginger is stimulating circulation. Once you've massaged the mixture in thoroughly, It's time to let nature work its magic. Leave the treatment on for exactly 20 minutes. Set a timer if you need to, because timing matters for optimal results. During these 20 minutes, the active ingredients are penetrating your skin, promoting cellular renewal, and beginning the process of naturally lightening those age spots. You might feel a gentle warming sensation as the ginger increases circulation, bringing fresh nutrients to your skin cells. While you wait, take this time to relax. Maybe brew yourself a cup of tea, read a few pages of a book, or simply sit quietly and appreciate that you're doing something wonderful for yourself using nature's own gifts. This isn't just skincare, it's self-care in its purest form. When the 20 minutes are up, rinse the mixture off with warm water. Use gentle circular motions as you rinse, extending the beneficial massage action even as you remove the treatment. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Don't rub. Immediately after rinsing, you'll notice something different. Your skin will feel refreshed, slightly cool, and revitalized. Even after just one application, many people report that their skin looks brighter and feels smoother. The effects are subtle at first, but they're definitely there. This is just the beginning of your natural transformation. With each application, the results become more visible and more dramatic. Your skin's natural renewal processes are being supported and accelerated, leading to gradual but consistent improvement in the appearance of age spots. The beauty of this natural treatment is that it works with your skin, not against it. Unlike harsh chemicals that force rapid changes and often cause irritation, this gentle approach supports your skin's natural healing timeline while providing the nutrients and stimulation needed for healthy regeneration. For best results, use this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Consistency is key with natural remedies. While you won't see overnight miracles like some products promise, you will see steady, sustainable improvement that gets better over time. Many people start noticing visible changes within the first week of regular use. By the end of the first month, the improvement is often dramatic enough that friends and family start asking what you've been doing differently. By the 3rd month, you might find yourself looking forward to mirror time again instead of dreading it. Remember, this treatment costs pennies compared to expensive procedures or prescription treatments. 1 potato and a small piece of ginger can provide multiple applications, making this not just effective but incredibly economical. But here's something else to consider. This remedy doesn't just address age spots. The vitamin C from the potato supports overall skin health, potentially reducing fine lines and improving texture. The improved circulation from the ginger can give your skin a natural, healthy glow that goes beyond just spot reduction. If you're dealing with age spots on your hands, this treatment can be particularly transformative. Hands often show age first because they're constantly exposed to sun and environmental damage, but they also respond beautifully to consistent natural treatment. For facial age spots, use a lighter touch during application and be extra gentle with the massage. The skin on your face is more delicate, but it's also more responsive to natural treatments. Many people find that facial age spots respond faster than those on other areas of the body. Before I share some additional tips for maximizing your results, I want to ask you to help us spread the word about natural health solutions like this one. If you found this information valuable, please share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Your share could be exactly what someone needs to regain their confidence and feel good about their reflection again. Now, let's talk about how to enhance your results even further. While this potato and ginger treatment is powerful on its own, there are simple lifestyle adjustments that can accelerate your progress and prevent new age spots from forming. First, hydration is absolutely crucial. Your skin needs adequate moisture to support the cellular renewal process that this treatment stimulates. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider applying a gentle, natural moisturizer after each treatment to help lock in the benefits. Sun protection is your best defense against new age spot formation. Even if you're treating existing spots successfully, continued sun exposure without protection will create new ones faster than you can treat them. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen daily, wear protective clothing when possible, and seek shade during peak sun hours. Nutrition plays a huge role in skin health and your body's ability to respond to natural treatments. Foods rich in antioxidants, particularly berries, leafy greens, and other colorful vegetables, provide your skin with the nutrients it needs for optimal healing and renewal. Sleep is often overlooked, but incredibly important for skin regeneration. Most of your skin's natural repair work happens while you sleep, so consistent, quality rest will enhance the effects of any treatment you use. Some people like to enhance the treatment by adding a tiny amount of honey to the mixture. Raw honey has additional antimicrobial and healing properties that can complement the potato and ginger beautifully. If you choose to try this variation, use just a small amount, as too much honey can make the mixture too sticky to work with effectively. Be patient with the process. Natural treatments work with your body's timeline, not against it. While some people see rapid results, others may need several weeks of consistent use before changes become obvious. Trust the process and stay consistent. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to do a small patch test on an inconspicuous area before applying the treatment to larger areas. While this combination is generally very gentle, everyone's skin is different, and it's always wise to be cautious. If you found value in today's discussion, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest natural health discoveries. We are constantly researching and testing natural solutions for common health concerns, and your subscription helps us continue bringing you this valuable information. Also, please take a moment to like this video if it helped you today. Take care of yourself, be consistent with your treatment, and most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. Natural healing takes time, but it's time well invested in your confidence and well-being. Until next time.